What's up, guys? We are back with another auto auction update, guys. We're actually gonna go pick up the car that we won yesterday and see what it's all about, man. Let me get you a fresh start up, get you a cold start. Now that we have that, let's get on with our day, man. Alrighty, guys, we are just about here to the auction. About to pick up this car, man, and hopefully it's running good. We don't have too much problems. I know we got a donut wheel on the front, but hopefully it's not too much more than that, man. So we'll check it out. Alrighty, guys, we paid for the car, man, so it should be here any second, man. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope it still pulls up like it did last night when I bidded on it. It's rolling. It's pretty silent. Ooh, let's check it out. There it is, guys. $450 win. Sounding good. It's not smoking yet. Any lights on the dash?
No.
Ooh. Oh, we might have won. Appreciate you, G.
Right.
Thanks, man. So yeah, guys, just check it out really quick, man. We just give you a quick walk around before we hop in this joint. First off, got a little boo-boo here, little woo-whammage there. Nothing too crazy though. I remember on this side, we actually had a little whammage there as well. Literally nothing bad with this thing at all. It's sounding really good. The tires seem pretty new on this. Unfortunately, that wheel is gone. We can actually pop the trunk. Where is that at? Okay. We'll get to the inside in a minute, but if we pop the trunk. Oh. Okay, so this wheel is actually bent. So we're actually just gonna have to go to the junkyard and find another rim because that one is bent. So we'll probably do that and take care of that this morning. You see they popped this off to take off the spare. But we'll get this car all cleaned up, take it home, get it cleaned up, and then head to the junkyard. And then see if we can grab a wheel for this thing really quick or something, man. We actually got to move this thing. We got an airbag light, which is normal for cars that hasn't been started in a while. Alrighty, guys, if we just this is starting off better than the Infinity already, guys. If you guys can tell by the sound of my voice, I'm actually smiling right now. Feeling pretty good, guy. We can just check under the hood really quick so we don't have any mishaps like last time. We got the donut on there, so we should be secure until we get back to Casa de Leon. And oh man, take a look under this hood. It looks really good under here, guys. Think we did a good job on this one. We might need another dipstick as well, so we can get a oil stick, and then the fluids and stuff should be good. It doesn't sound crazy at all. I forgot to check where's the overflow tank. I definitely want to make sure I got some antifreeze in this joint. It'll be smart if I put the hook up, huh, guys? Seems pretty fair in here, guys. It sounds really good. 180,000 miles. Nothing leaking under the car. Got a little hangage here from, you can take that off now. It's no more hangage. So we're actually just gonna take this thing to the car wash before we take it home. Just so when I take it home, I can just swap that wheel out really quick. Try to find one with a hubcap or something on it. And then that'll be pretty good, man. This is a really good looking car, guys. So we're about to take it on the freeway and hope for the best here. All our tires look to be pumped up and secure enough to go on the freeway, so we should be good there. I'm gonna leave my Camaro here until I get back, man. Hopefully none of these meth heads bust my window and stuff while I'm out here, man. So yeah, let's hop in this whip and let's get going, man. Alrighty, guys, we locked the Camaro up, so we're off. Now that this thing is heated up a little bit, We can see if it overheats or not. Hopefully it won't, and we'll be on our way, man. Does this window work? Okay, the window does work. That's cool. Do we got some radio play? Oh, and we got some radio play. That's cool. I don't know if this roof works or not. Okay, the sunroof works, guys. Oh yeah, that's a plus. The sunroof works and everything. That's cool. Good to know that. Let's adjust this mirror. That would be nice. Let's hope nothing is wrong with the suspension and stuff. As you see, that wheel is like bent over there. I don't hear anything like I heard with the Nissan. Seems to run pretty fair. We got a blinker out. That's the reason why it's blinking so fast. The brakes are pretty cool. Probably could swap out the brakes pretty soon, but I mean, it has 180,000 miles, but the brakes do seem pretty fair, guys. And we're just gonna take it easy on the freeway, so we should be all right. And guys, right now we're coasting at about 55, right under 60 miles an hour. It's feeling pretty smooth. I know because of this donut wheel over here, it does feel a little loose on the steering, but I know once we get that wheel on there and get some more width under that wheel, it'll be a lot more smoother ride as well. I know that tire may be just a tad bit low, as I know you got to pump the donuts up to like 60 PSI, so it might be a little bit less, but it was safe enough to drive. But all in all, guys, so far it seems pretty legit. I don't feel anything that really is a bad sign so far. A little bit further down, finally ran into some traffic here. But man, this thing is freaking running really good, guys. Anything over 60, it kind of shakes a little bit. And I'm pretty much positive that's from that front wheel. Other than that, man, it's really nothing at all that really steers me away from this car. I really like it. It's a really good driving car. Everything seems to work in here. I haven't really tried the AC yet, just because I want to get it to my house before I want to, like, you know, take that chance for it to overheat. And I don't want to have it overheat when I'm not nowhere near my house. I mean, I do got some antifreeze and stuff in the trunk, but you know, I'd rather play it safe than sorry. So I'll try that AC out once I get home. But guys, this thing is running really, really good here. Really, really good. I have no complaints just yet. I hope I keep it that way. We're right here at the end of our freeway run, about, I guess, 12 to 15 miles later, guys. This thing is running like a champ, man. I'm so excited I bought this car, man. $450. You got freaking far as heck, way further than I did with that Infiniti so far. So I'm definitely happy with that. Let's get this thing washed up, man. Alrighty, guys, just now arriving to the car wash, man. It's time to get this thing all freaking cleaned up. I hope you guys got a good look at it before I hopped in the car, because it's not gonna be that dirty when we get out. So we'll be able to clean it, take it to the house, get all these window markings and stuff off, go back and pick up the Camaro, then head to the junkyard, pick up a wheel, and maybe try to find the same hubcap for it. It's finally time to get this thing all grooved and smooth, man. Yeah, that's way nice. I'm digging this camera, y'all. This car is gonna be so clean when we get out of it. I can't even wait. And this car might have been from New York. Right here it says dmv.newyork.gov, so they probably drove this thing all the way here from New York or something, which is a good sign too. That tells me that the car has been ran in really good distances. So this may be another example of how you know it may be a good car or not, you know. Alrighty, guys, and I'm gonna keep this thing running because I don't know how well this battery is, and I'm not trying to get stuck at the car wash like I did in the Infiniti a while back. So we'll check this out really quick. Oh yeah, we're gonna need some air in these tires. I can see it a little bit low now, but if we take a quick walk around to this joint, man, it's looking a lot better already. You knocked most of the dirt off. Still got some water splatter and stuff here and there, but literally a lot better than what it just looked like. So I'll clean this thing up really quick, get it all vacuumed out, and then I'll catch you guys in a sec. Alrighty, guys, we got this thing pretty much, I haven't even wiped down the outside yet, but I'm gonna do that at home with the spray detailer. We take a quick peek in the inside, guys. It does look really, really good in here. We got all that cleaned up. I mean, it was pretty good looking before, but I mean, it looks way even better now. Really clean all around. I gotta hit this interior up when I get to the house. But I mean, for the most part, all the material type stuff, like carpet type stuff, is really clean. I'll go over all the plastic leather trimming and stuff when I get home. And that's that. I think I'm gonna take this weather mat out. I don't think it works with this I don't know. What do you guys think? Yeah, it might work. I'll leave it in there. But I'll catch you guys at the house. We can just give you a quick walk around really quick. Does look really good. I got all those leaves and stuff out that was in the trunk there. I got all the leaves and stuff out that was up here. So now it's time to head to the crib and I try to find another wheel for this joint. And then if we check on the inside of the car, still running really not hot at all, still running pretty good. Alrighty guys, we made it back to the house, man. Let's get this thing. Let's not hit the Lexo now. I want to get that wheel before it gets too late. Pop that thing on here so when I come back I can just get this inside wiped down. Oh man, what do you guys think about it, man? I think I scored on this one. $450. You think you can beat it? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty guys, back in the Beamer on our way to pick up the Camaro, man. And I'm not even gonna front with you guys. I already think I got a sale for this car. We're not gonna jump the gun on that. Let's just get the car looking and feeling A1 and then get back to that. Back at the Camaro and hopefully no meth heads bust me out, man. Yes sir, it looks like we're pretty good here. Yeah, it looks like we're pretty good. They didn't damage us today, man. We back on the road. So now it's time to hit that junkyard, get that wheel for up front, and we'll be there in a hot sec. So we made it to the junkyard, man. Let's get in here and see if we can find what we're looking for. We are here. Let's see if we can find what we're looking for pretty quick. We're in the Saturn area. We gotta head back to the back where the little Hyundais is. Jaguars over here, wow. It's a lot of Jaguars down there, guys. It looks like we are here. So let's try to find a wheel with the hubcap matching already. This actually might be the wheel there. But we want one with a matching rim on it and hubcap. Nothing there. Oh, boom. We got a couple of rims here. Probably pick the best one. That tire looks pretty good. Which one am I gonna take? This front one seems all right, but it's kind of worn down. This one will probably be the best one so far. Those tires look kind of whooped on that one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one. This one actually looks like it might be the best tire here. So alrighty guys, so we're gonna take this hubcap, take our wheel tool or whatever, and take this tire. Let's tally this up and get back to the crib now. Alrighty guys, that wheel came out to $19. I'm all dirtied up, man. So let's get back to this house, change this wheel out, get that interior cleaned. Alrighty guys, made it back home. Let's pull this thing in the stall so we can get this thing all detailed and cleaned up. Guy, I forgot to pull that top back. It's freaking burning up in this joint. Let's hope it starts right up. That's what I'm talking about. That's a plus, so let's get it. And boom, guys, just like that, we got the wheel switched out. Got the spare here, it's going back in the... Alrighty, guys, just like that, we got the wheel back on. Well, the new wheel on. Got the spare tires going in the trunk. Let's let this thing down off of jacks. Get this windshield cleaned up and get that interior taken care of. Alrighty, guys, we got the windows looking all clean and clear. Everything's off those things, man. We got the outside wiped down. We're actually just all we need now is the inside wiped down. And then we actually turned on the AC in here and it's blowing ice chilly. No overheating or anything like that, so that's a good sign as well, man. You guys just take a look. Thing looks really good for the price, man. And the sunroof works, so that's a plus. So now that we know that AC works, we can turn that off, turn the car off, and get this inside really nice and shined up really quick. Alrighty guys, I had to pull it in the sun for you really quick just to show you how clean this thing is, guy. We'll just walk around and then we'll get to the inside after. But guys, this thing is running really good, sounding really good, looking really good. And we'll just look inside really quick. Does look really good in here, guy. So you guys see the inside looks really good. We got that tinker noise there. But guys, all around the car looks really good. It's all shined up. Just gotta go get make sure all these tires have air in them, and we should be done with it, man. So looks like it's gonna be a wrap for that. And guys, I can already tell the difference. That wheel helped out a lot, man. This thing feels regular, normal as heck right now. Nothing at all, no issues, man. I'm freaking digging it right now, guy. And guys, as I'm driving this thing, man, it's so freaking lovely. I literally don't even want to sell it, like real talk. I really need a gas saver because the Camaro is freaking terrible on gas, man. I really need to keep this thing so I don't have to drive that so much and waste gas on that. But I mean, the profit is I guess it's pretty worth it. I know I could get more than what I'm selling it for just based on how clean it came out. But this is my buddy we're selling it to. You know, he's just looking for a gas saver, a really decent gas saver, so I figure I'd help him out. And, you know, we both help each other out in the process, so it's pretty cool. I know I can definitely get more for the car than I'm probably gonna sell it for like $1,300 right now. Alrighty guys, if you're looking at this, man, you already guessed it, man. The Hyundai is sold, guys. Alrighty guys, man, the Hyundai Elantra is sold, guys. We literally got that car, we picked it up literally like 6 hours ago, guy, and it's already sold, guy. Picked it up, freaking went to the junkyard, got the wheel for it, came back, cleaned it all up, man, and that thing got sold like like nothing. We sold that thing for $1,300, guys, and we made a profit of like $830 only because we bought that wheel for like $20. Firstly, it was like $850, but you know, subtract the 20, you're like at $830, which I think is still a pretty good profit. Did come across that pretty quick. So we're actually about to head back to the house and get ready for another auction tonight. So I'm thinking that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you are a subscriber already, don't hesitate to hit that share button and put me on your community posts. As always, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. And no, guys, I'm not lying. The thing is actually gone. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below.